instructions to
My lords,
And the last one is a
I beg to appear, my lord.
For the state, my lords,
state.
my lords, would
Why
your
does the
lordships permit my
responsibility
colleague, Mr. Ankit Goyal, who is in court, my lords, to hand over our instructions? My lords, my lords, we have exceeded to, my lords, what has fallen from your lordships, and we will carry out that exercise. We will try to accommodate, my lords, in terms of merits, and we will do that exercise and come back, my lords, if your lordships will permit. We'll make a list of who all have been wrongly removed. We'll include them and place it in an affidavit once.
Can we have copies of that also? We can also.
No, this
My lords,
These
privilege,
instructions only says that
privilege
we are.
communication. This is addressed
We
to
are
council.
saying about
Too late.
Let us read it, have confidence and trust in us.
Too late in the day. Manoj.
Huh?
They all got
You all got it.
They distributed.
except the petition.
If you have given to some, then give it to others.
Manoj, we'll return it. We'll return it.
My lords, we'll carry out the
exercise and come back, file an affidavit.
This is
I mean, this is not.
Nothing
Return it.
much. actually.
Let us go through it.
Let us see what is the process they are adopting, please.
We've returned it.
Madam,
My
madam,
lords, we will,
Yes.
5
we will
minutes.
carry out the exercise.
Exercise of whoever has been wrongly, we will have to carry out that, permit that migration. And then we will make a list, my lords, and come back to your lordships. Your lordships had stayed the whole exercise. Therefore, the whole exercise has been stayed. We'll place an affidavit how we propose to do it. Your lordships will see it, and then your lordships may pass an order on that. This is only to express, my lords, that we will carry out this exercise.
Quote this paragraph
28.
and let them proceed. Please report before us without dispose of it. Keep it. We'll keep the petitions pending.
Yes.
Very well.
Yes, my
Let the
lords.
suggestion
Yes.
for Roman 1 may be implemented.
That is
Yes,
please.
my lords.
We'll keep it 4 weeks or 6 weeks hence to
Yes.
file a status
Please.
report as to what is the result of implementation of your 4-1.
Yes.
Very well.
Thereafter,
Please, my lords.
So that there will be just one more thing, and
Yes.
my lords
What
will
is
ask that
4-1?
direction now because it will become relevant.
it?
My lords, as per the recruitment process, at the time when it is given, the
That's all
application,
what we.
the candidates are required to give their preference of posting in all of their districts in that order. So the first down to the last. Now, those higher in merit have that option and it has to be graded accordingly. Now, when some of us who were there in the reserve category will go in accordance with merit on to general, obviously we are higher in the place and merit. So that particular postings will have to be drawn up on basis of our submission also. So that exercise.
Madam Arora,
must be
we
done.
let them first find out and identify
Let them-
who are the candidates who have been deprived.
Indeed.
Thereafter, we shall proceed.
So we must have.
Let first cross this first hurdle.
Was an issue.
Maybe you are
Didn't decide that.
you're representing a scheduled caste or a scheduled tribe candidate. But if he doesn't figure in this list of deprived candidates,
We were the ones who
So
were
in fact-
removed.
We are the
In fact, in
merit
this
ones.
case, we must appreciate the efforts being put in by state of UP. Manoj.
Let-
Therefore, Lord, I think that's a great
Madam,
investment.
Solicitor
That
General
chart is already available on.
appearing for the state of Uttar Pradesh
No, we were.
submits that acceding to the requests contained in our order dated February 4, 2026, the state of Uttar Pradesh, in the peculiar circumstances of this case, is ready and willing to consider appointment of candidates who are likely to be included upon becoming eligible to figure in the redrawn select list in terms of the judgment of the High Court dated 13th August 2024, subject to subsistence of current vacancies, subject to candidates fulfilling the minimum qualifications for working as teachers in primary schools, and subject to such exercise not being treated as a precedent in future cases.
Yes.
We appreciate the decision taken by the state of Uttar Pradesh and grant it 6 weeks' time to complete the aforesaid exercise. A
There's
status
one-
report shall be placed before this court on the returnable date fix it, it makes sense.
No,
My lord,
it
my
will be
concern is that the petitioner,
all the contentions, because our contention here is the single judge's
We are
judgment.
not
will have to-
deciding anything, madam.
Yes.
Let this exercise be completed.
Yes.
Let us find out how many candidates can be
What case we
accommodated,
have arrived at.
how many vacancies
Yes.
are there, thereafter we'll go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
my lord,
The special petition shall not be
My lord,
treated as satisfactory.
our petitions are concerned, they were.
Lordship, some people are file IA also, my lord, so they give us permission to include in this IA also, my lord.
Once they have agreed, they will take into consideration all the candidates.
Please,
Let's wait for it.
my lord, those who are in the service, my lord, they should not be disturbed at all. That is our concern.
Have you read the order that we have dictated right now?
Sorry.
Those who have not been included in the list,
Malaj, there is one.
have we said anything about in-service candidates?
Yes, yes.
No, I could not see the
There is-
formula which they have.
My lord, there is already a,
In that they have said subject to vacancies being available. Now,
No, then-
vacancies will depend upon whether those who were wrongly appointed earlier.
Mr. Bhushan, let them carry out the exercise. Thereafter, we'll have to go into the matter into depth.
very well.
If somebody has been deprived and ineligible candidate is occupying his seat, he will have to make way for the eligible candidate.
No, also,
But if all can be accommodated, why disturb those who are there?
no, that's one, my lord.
In
There's
fact,
one
last
more
time when
submission.
we
If
created a-
all can be accommodated, it is fine, my lord. We are also happy.
Ah.
Only thing is, let them also point out before this court in what methodology they have removed or added anybody. That one affidavit with that.
Madam,
Yes.
let me file the statement.
faith in this.
Thereafter,
Yes.
we'll consider.
My
Very
lord,
good.
Lordship, those people are file IA, my lord, so they should be also considered in to participate, my lord.
Everyone.
Please, my lord.
Pledge, my lord.
Next 29,
Lordships.
we'll consider on the next date, right? Yes, next 29,
29 years we are appearing for the petition at this.
yes.
Malas, I guess Lordship has a special bench at 3 PM, Malas.